Now, to fix the automatic scrolling on your Windows computer, the first step is to restart your PC. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to, if you have wired or wireless controller connected to the computer, you can unplug it or you can disconnect your controller to fix the problem. Sometimes the controller is connected and it's upside down and it keeps scrolling. So you can disconnect your controller and then check. Next step is to, if you're using external keyboard or mouse, you can unplug it and you can plug it to the different port. So try to connect your devices. If you want to use any external devices, make sure that you disconnect from one USB port and then connect to different USB port and then check. Next step is to disconnect arcade stick, USB dongle, any kind of USB dongle connected. It may be Bluetooth dongle. Disconnect arcade stick, USB dongle, HOTAs, like if your HOTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected to the computer, you can disconnect external devices and then check. Next step is to turn off scroll inactive windows. Now for this, you can open Windows settings. You can go to Bluetooth and devices, go to mouse, and over here you can see scroll inactive windows. If this is on, you can turn this off and then you can check. Later on, if you want to turn it on, you can turn it on, but just to check, you can just turn it off and then check. And if that does not work, you can turn it on, or you can just type in mouse settings in Windows search box in Windows 10 and then find this option and then you can turn this off and then check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make or right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the automatic scrolling. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.